Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are enjoying good moments of your life. Here is Hafiz Hassan Ali from DVM final year. Welcome to my case report presentation titled Infected Uterus Masculinus in a Dog, presented to Dr. Ali Hassan Ansam. This case stands out due to its unusual anatomical findings, hormonal imbalance, and rare report presentation. Key points: a 12-year-old male beast hound. The case originated due to issue in the Mullerian duct. What is Mullerian duct? First of all, we understand the concept of Mullerian duct. Mullerian duct is an embryonic duct that remain and develop into female reproductive organ like fallopian tube, uterus, cervix. This case is complicated with infection which may be a remnant of Mullerian duct seen in older and intact male dogs. What is intact male dogs? Intact male dogs are those dogs which has not been castrated. Clinical sign. On the basis of clinical sign, this case relate to first of all tenesmus. Tenesmus means straining to pass urine or straining to pass feces. Mean tenesmus may be rectal or bladder. Abdominal discomfort, penile discharge, stanguria. Stanguria means painful urination. Presentation: 12-year-old intact male beast horn. Clinical sign: in the first week, tenesmus and bleeding, penile discharge. In the last 2 days, polyuria, polydipsia, and anorexia. Polydipsia means increased intake of water. Painful abdominal mass on rectal exam. Blood work: mild anemia, leukocytosis, neutrophilia, elevated ALT, ALP, hyperglobulinemia. First of all, we understand the concept of ALT. What is hormonal abnormalities? In this case of uh, uterus masculinus, the level of testosterone become decreased and the level of estrogen and progesterone become increase. Diagnostic imaging and finding. Ultrasound showed that large hypoechoic cyst, which is 10 times 10 by 4, degenerate neutrophils, bacteria which is maybe E. coli, bladder urine is normal, culture test is negative, suggestive of infected paraprostatic cyst or uterus masculinus. Surgical finding. Exploratory laparotomy revealed large paraprostatic cyst connected to prostate, two horn-like tubes suspended from genital fold, communication with urethral lumen. Complete cyst resection, ligation of connection to prostate, urethra, bilateral orochotomy with scrotal ablation. Treatment: post-operative antibiotic columnar epithelium with glands, smooth muscle wall, mild inflammation. Diagnosis: true uterus masculinus due to communication with urethra. Test is bilateral Sertoli cell tumor. Estrogen producing explains feminizing hormonal changes may have contributed to development of uterine like epithelium, which is given below in discussion and clinical lesion. First documented case of infected uterus masculine communicating with urethra in a dog. High estrogen and progesterone level likely influence development and mucus Malarian duct syndrome (PMDS). We understand the concept of PMDS, a male disorder in which Malarian duct fail to regress. This dog was not cryptorchid and have no external feminization. Cryptorchid mean a male in which one or both testes fail to and down. Conclusion: uterus masculinus should be considered in case of tenesmus, penile discharge, paraprostatic like cystic structure. Two terminologies we understand. First, true uterus masculinus mean communication with the urethra, and cystic uterus masculinus no urethral communication. Complete surgical incision is an effective treatment. Monitoring for testicular tumor is important due to hormonal imbalance. Thank you so much for your consideration. Allah Hafiz.